them on her birthday. The princess loved the ball very much. She used to play with the ball and night. One day, the princess went. The honey frog said, I can trust you. Princess smiled. Really? The ugly frog said, yes, but what will you give me if you can? The princess replied, give you whatever you ask for. The frog dived into the water and came out with the princess. But she became very happy to see her ball. She took the ball, went back to her place. When she reached the palace and talked about the frog family, one night the ugly frog came to the princess' palace. The princess could not recognize the frog, but when the frog told her about the incident, she remembered him. The princess asked, what do you want? The frog replied, I want to eat from your tree. At first, she refused, but when her father told her to keep her promise, she let the frog eat from her plate. Then the frog went away, standing next to her bed. Ayun. Si Prince Leia yun? Prince Leia? No? She rubbed her eyes, but she could not believe what he was seeing. She thought that she was watching an ice cream. Then the princess asked him, who are you? The handsome young man answered, I am a prince. I am Prince Leo. Hindi pala yan eh. Prince Leo pala, oh. Tatawa-tawa ko siya, Prince Leo. The princess asked, what are you doing here? The prince said, I had been under the spell, which she made me a frog. I could only become a human if I eat and sleep with a princess. You being a princess helped me to break the spell. So will you be my bride? Huh? The princess fell in love with him and said yes. Then the prince and the princess got married. After the marriage, the prince took her to his kingdom, and they lived together. Yay! Yay! Ayan. Moral of the story. The moral story is what and that we should always be on our word. But at first, the princess was rude to proud, but she heard of her father, died and kept the promise. The promise is, in the end, the frog changed into a handsome prince and married her. So always keep your promises. No?
Finish!
Yay! Pag-prince, sabi ko na iya pa rin, diba? Pag-prince ka na ako, sabi niya, hindi naman ako proud. Na, mukha ka kasi proud, no?
Thank you, Daddy, sa kwento.
Practice, ha?
Thank you, Daddy.
Sige, okay.
Thank you, Daddy.